Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Practice meaning study at least 30 minutes daily, focusing on roots, prefixes, and common word families. Start by learning how prefixes and suffixes change meaning. For example, un, re, able, and less, and memorize the most frequent one, 000 base words. Use a bilingual and monolingual dictionary to check Form 1099 style entries, pronunciations, and sample sentences. Learn 20 new words per week and review them using spaced repetition for long-term retention. Combine flashcards with example sentences and 10-minute writing drills to cement meaning. Read graded readers and news articles for 30 minutes, noting 10 contextual meanings and collocations per session. Pay attention to collocations and register. Mark formal verses in formal uses and idioms to grasp nuance. Listen to audio at 16:9 speed when possible, shadow speakers for pronunciation and rhythm, and pause to repeat challenging phrases. Use sentence mining. Extract example sentences and write 3 variant sentences to test meaning. Then record yourself and compare tone and stress to native models to refine understanding and usage. Set measurable goals. 3 months to reach basic conversational meaning for daily topics and 6 months for workplace vocabulary, then track progress with monthly tests. Get corrective feedback weekly from tutors or language exchanges to fix meaning errors quickly, focusing on mistaken collocations and preposition use. Apply words actively in 15-minute speaking and 20-minute writing drills daily to convert recognition into usable meaning. Use role plays, short essays, and targeted correction cycles. Review errors, adjust study load, and celebrate milestones to maintain momentum and retention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.